Morning students, today we are learn our 6th computer chapter of class 5th, that is Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. In my previous lecture we learned viewing a presentation and normal view, and in this lecture we learn slide, shorter view, slideshow and notes page. Okay, so let's start students. Firstly we will see slide shorter view. It display a miniature view of all the slides in a presentation. It display a miniature view of all the slides in presentation. In slide sorter view, you can change the order of slides. In this slide sorter view, we can change the order of our slides, copy or delete the slides, and transition, animation, effects, and set the timing for the slideshow. In this shorter view, we can change order of slide, copy or delete the slide, add transition, animation effect, and set the timings for the slideshow. Okay, then click on slide shorter view button. So this is the slide shorter view button. So click on this button, then you will see all the slides in your presentation and a dark border around the selected slides. You will see all the slides in your presentation and a dark border around the selected slides. So look at this picture. Okay, then next is slideshow. It shows all the slides of your presentation starting either from the first page or the current slide. It shows all the sides of your presentation starting either from first page or the current slide. One slide occupy the complete screen. One slide is occupy the complete screen of computer. Then note page. Notes page is available in the view ribbon. It is available in view ribbon. It display the note page from the selected slide. It display the note page from the selected slide where you can create additional notes. When we create our additional notes from the current slide, these notes are helpful while showing the presentation. These notes are very useful for showing the presentation. Okay, so understand students. So in your homework, write slide shorter view, slideshow and notes page in your notebook. Okay.